silent, unnoticed, and hungry. A force that damages the field, livelihood, and the future of farming. This is not just another pest. This is another threat. Across the region of eastern Visayas, farmers are facing a rising threat. Several pests have long plagued the crops, but now a new and silent invader is emerging. The Asiatic Palm Weevil. This stealthy, destructive beetle burrows deeply into the core of palm trees, silently weakening them from within. To understand this pest better, let's take a look at its taxonomic classification. Commonly called beetles, the Asiatic palm weevil is a member of the order Coleoptera. They belong to the family Dryopteridae, a group known for their burrowing larvae. It belongs to the genus Rhynchophorus, and its scientific name is Rhynchophorus vulneratus. At first glance, the coconut rhinoceros beetle and the Asiatic palm weevil may seem similar, but their difference lies in their attack. The palm is visibly destroyed externally as a result of the CRB's behavior, which includes chewing through fronds and piercing the crown. Its larva feeds on decaying logs. But the Asiatic palm weevil is more elusive. Its larva burrows deep into the trunk and internal tissues, silently weakening the palm from the inside. By the time symptoms appear, like sap oozing or crown collapse, it may already be too late. The damage inflicted by the APW is often severe and irreversible. Damages include death of the coconut spear, emergence of holes, and trees with hollowed trunks. It has no impact on human or animal health. They are not vectors of any disease. APW only inflicts physical damage. The adults of the APW lay their eggs near the crown of the palm. The eggs look like a rice grain. It hatches after 7 to 11 days. Upon hatching, the larva bores into the soft tissues and feed, tunneling deep into the plant. Oftentimes, their infestations go unnoticed until the damage becomes extensive. The larva stage lasts for 25 to 33 days before pupating. The cocoon is made from palm fibers, protecting the APW as it undergoes metamorphosis. Mature APW larvae spin cocoons using coconut fibers while embedded inside the trunk. The pupal stage lasts for 29 to 43 days. Eventually, an adult beetle emerges, ready to repeat the cycle. Early identification is a key to controlling APW to stop its damage to the palm trees.
Ang palm weevil natin, kagaya ng ibang mga beetles and weevils, ay dumadaan sa 4 na stages of life development. So, meron tayong itlog, meron tayong larva or grubs na tinatawag, merong pupal stage at bago yon maging adult. na weevils. So, major difference po ng ating CRB from our Asiatic palm ay yung larva ng CRB ay matatagpuan natin sa mga decaying logs, habang yung Asiatic palm weevil natin or mga red palm weevil na larvae ay doon naman sila makikita sa crown mismo or sa trunk ng ating mga niyog. And yun po yung nagiging peste. Kasi ang larva ng ating Asiatic palm, sila po yung kumakain mismo doon sa core ng ating mga lubi or ng ating mga coconut. Ngayon, after nun, magiging pupa na sila and magiging adult after ilang months. Yung Asiatic palm natin, yung adult na weevil ay hindi po nakatira mismo doon sa niyog. Similarly, ang CRB naman natin ay dumadapo lamang sa niyog para kumain. Usually, nocturnal na mga species ito. So, kumakain sila doon sa crown ng niyog kung saan nagre-resulta ito sa mga V or mga diamond cuts po na mga dahon na ating nakikita. Samantalang yung Asiatic palm weevil naman natin, since maliit lang yung mouth parts nila, ay hindi po masyadong halata ang kanilang damage. Ang pagkakaiba naman ng mga adult weevils and rhinoceros beetles natin ay malalaman natin na rhinoceros beetle ito sapagkat ang form naman ng katawan ay cylindrical. And ang kulay ay usually very dark naman po siya na black. While yung Asiatic palm weevil natin, medyo pa-flat po siya ng konti and makikita natin na yung mouth part ay medyo patusok. Samantalang yung CRB naman natin, yung patusok po doon ay tinatawag naman na horn, which is hindi yun ang kanyang pinaka-mouth part.
Management of the Asiatic palm weevil involves an integrated approach. Sanitation and regular monitoring are crucial.
As of now, we have diverse options in terms of the management and control of APW. So we can use biocon agents. These are organisms that can be mass-produced in the laboratory and introduced in the farm or areas which are suspected to be infested with APWs. We can also use insecticide, but the main problem as of now is the farmers use contact pesticide, in which cannot directly affect the APW because ang APW is nakatira sa loob ng coconut. And as of now, we are studying the first line of defense or consideration in controlling or managing APW, which is yung resistance. When we say resistance, this could be an artificial or innate ability of the coconut to counter or tolerate the effect of APW. Based sa result, we have identified few resistant varieties actually because most of the varieties, both parentals and hybrids, are in an intermediate scale. So, ang isang variety na lumamang talaga is yung Malayan Yellow Dwarf. On the other hand, ang isang variety which turned to be susceptible is yung Malayan Orange or Malayan Red Dwarf, in which ito yung variety na kadalasan ginagamit ng mga breeder. Example nito is yung Matag variety, which is a cross from Tagnanan parents and Malayan Red Dwarf na variety.
Chemical control or pheromone traps can help contain infestations. Biological control is currently being explored. Its sudden emergence is a mystery to the researchers. The Asiatic palm weevil is not just a pest, it is a threat to generations of farmers. With our knowledge, proper management can protect our palms and save the future. Because every tree saved is a harvest restored.